I was tempted to see what it looks like, so let's have a quick look. It says quite a high colour. Slightly too warm and slightly too dark. Can you see that? So I might have to reach for the lemon in a second. We'll have a see what this happens here. So adding titanium white to that is to just put in some of the background areas. So here we go. Bit of black. A shelf coming across here, and I'm just, again, it's one of those questions: do we, don't we, do we paint it in, or is it just going to be a distraction? We'll see. Sometimes we can put it in and just take it out of focus, diffuse it, so it's there but it's not there. Adding a bit of yellow onto that. The trouble is when you add yellow into, if you notice that, it's immediately gone green. So we'll need to compensate a little bit. So I think what I'm tempted to do now is to put in some of the colours around here. So when we first put this colour in here, it seemed very dark and very hot. You know, with the rest of the colours in, it's too light. That's because all of this was white when we put it in. That's why I put the background in. That's why it's sometimes nice to put the background in. You can see a truer colour on the main subject. Much easier. So a bit of the red, coming in red into this dark, which is fundamentally probably a bit of the red, yellow and black mixed together. So I'm putting this light area in, knowing that I'm going to have to change the area of it, the shape of it with the negative in a second. Big shapes first, then break those into smaller, medium shapes, and then break those into smaller shapes again and again.